Here's why 95% of people will never get their dealer license. I'm going to break it down in the most simplest terms as possible, or why there's a lot of things stopping you in particular from getting your dealer license. And this is just the general public in general, right? Because a lot of people want to go to these dealer auctions and buy cars wholesale, but a lot of people also don't want to have to go ahead and open up a dealership. Opening up a used car dealership in 2025 isn't the worst idea, but it's going to also take a lot of your time. So that's the first point right here that I have. No time. A lot of people who want to start a dealership or have always thought about going to these dealer only auctions have no time because they have a full-time job, they have a family, they have kids. They don't have a lot of time to dedicate to the endeavor of going to go ahead and get their dealer license and attending these auctions. So before we get started, I also like to let you guys know my name is Caleb Butler, and I can actually help you get your dealer license in all 50 states but through my program that I started just a year ago. We've already helped almost 4,000 people attend these dealer-only auctions, buy cars way under market value, and start to go ahead and buy and sell vehicles from a dealer-only auction. You'll be able to do the same exact thing. I'm going to explain a little bit later. If you like content like this, go ahead, like and subscribe. And if you have any questions at all, don't be afraid to leave a comment, or you can go ahead and ask me on Instagram. Okay, before we get started, I do want to let you know that you are able to get your dealer license through a program that I created over a year ago, and we now have 957 active members where you're able to get your dealer license, start buying cars from a dealer-only auction, buying and selling unlimited cars. As you can see, we got dealer plates right here, people purchasing vehicles on the daily and also receiving their dealer plates, wholesale license, retail license, and also becoming a dealer representative. As you can see right here, there is a bunch of money, plates, and vehicles also coming through as well. And then if we go through here to the Classroom tab, you'll see a whole bunch of resources where you're able to maximize getting your dealer license and becoming an independent car dealer. We have credit repair, we have unlimited Carfax reports, temp tags, reassignments, floor plans, everything you need all in one place. So if you're ready to go ahead and get started, go ahead and subscribe, like this video. And if you have any questions at all, message me on Instagram. And if you're ready to get started right now, it'll be the top link in my bio. The thing is, time is very important, and a lot of people trade money for time. That's why they won't have time to go ahead and start something for themselves. And that's what stops a lot of people from starting things for themselves. So time is a big deal, and a lot of people don't have the time to go ahead and start a dealership. Another thing is being too difficult. I've heard this so many times. I've been doing this for the last year. So to hear how many times people got started and then they gave up, the paperwork, the clerical things, not getting approved by the inspectors. There's a lot of clerical things that happens when you get your dealer license. And that's why a lot of people end up giving up. When there is friction when it comes to starting something on your own, the easiest thing you can do is give up. I've given up on things before. It's a human nature to give up when things get difficult. But that's where I'm here to help you. I'll explain that later. Also, opening a car lot. That is a massive overhead. I live in the DMV area, and if I were to go ahead and open up a car lot that I could park between 20 and 30 cars, I'm looking at paying between $10,000 and $15,000 a month just for this car lot. That's even before I get a dealer license and get approved by the state for me to be able to buy and sell vehicles. Opening a car lot is a massive overhead, and this leads into my next point, overhead. When you start off with just a $10,000 to $15,000 a month overhead, that's before you even sell a car. And then you're looking at how you're gonna have to pay employees, you're gonna have the hours of operation, you got bonds, insurance. There's so many things that end up piling on. And before you even sell your first vehicle, you're gonna be in the whole $20,000. And this is also gonna stress you out as well, because finding the location is important. Signing that lease or buying that land is very important. But if you haven't been able to go ahead and sell a car yet, and then 30 days go past, that's gonna stress you out and it's gonna add pressure to the situation, which is unnecessary, because you wanna just go ahead and attend these auctions and start buying and selling cars and even see if something like this is for you. Also, a lot of people think it's unrealistic. The unrealistic thing about it is being able to have a full-time job and then gonna be able to go ahead and attend these dealer-only auctions. It's extremely difficult. And the last thing is the laziness. It's human nature to get comfortable, get complacent, and we don't like things that are unfamiliar. So when someone's like gets the idea they want to attend these dealer only auctions, laziness comes into play because they look it up and they're like, oh man, it's too much. And I wouldn't necessarily say laziness is the whole aspect of it, but it does play a factor because we as humans rather stay comfortable and familiar with the things that we're used to rather than being uncomfortable and starting something new. So, how can I help? This is the part where I told you that I can show you how I can help you get your dealer license and you can start buying and selling cars the same exact way that I've been doing it for the last 7 years. So, I'll go ahead and start. I'm going to write something on this whiteboard right here. As you can see right here, it says done for you. We have a done for you process where you're able to go ahead and start buying and selling these vehicles without having to do anything. Initially, you'll have to put up an investment, but it'll be a fraction of the cost of what it actually costs for you to start your own dealer license. I did give an example prior talking about how $15,000 to $10,000 costs just for the physical location rent, but we are a fraction of the price and everything is completed for you. So the done for you process is extremely beautiful. And we have 3 different processes that we do offer. And I'm gonna try and really go in depth as much as possible, explaining how we can do this process for you. So the first package that I even ever offered, and you guys probably seen this in my other videos, is my independent wholesale. So the key word, you can see it right there. The key word I want to explain is independent. And what does independent really mean? Independent means the business is yours. You're the owner operator of this license. No one can tell you anything. You can add individuals to your license. It's your own business. The EIN's under your name. You can start buying and sign up for any dealer only auctions across the country without any friction. You'll get dealer plates, insurance will be under your name, and also bond will be under your name. But the thing is with the insurance and bond, it's a nominal amount because the size of the office that we set up. My independent licenses, because I have another independent package, but I'm going to explain the independent wholesale right now. This independent wholesale, we set up an office on your behalf. We have a warehouse in the state of Arkansas. We have a warehouse in the state of Georgia, a warehouse in the state of Missouri. And these warehouses, we set up offices on your behalf, and then that's how the process is done for you. We set these offices up, we apply for the state on your behalf, and then we get your dealer license for you. It's really the most streamlined and easiest process in the country. And there's nowhere else really you're able to do something like this. I do have other people that are offering auction access where they add you to license and they can get you into the dealer only auctions, but you are not able to get a dealer plate. This is the only place you're able to get a dealer plate so you can transport those vehicles that you purchased from a dealer only auction. This independent wholesale license is great. It's my cheapest package and also allows you to be, like I said, completely independent and you can do whatever you want when it comes to purchasing, buying, and selling cars. And you're also even able to get floor plans with this. And a floor plan is a credit line that you can get from a bank to go ahead and purchase vehicles from a dealer only auction. It's absolutely incredible. Now, I also have an independent retail. As you can see right here, I just wrote that out. Independent retail is very similar to the independent wholesale, but the only difference is the retail allows you to sell directly to the public. You're also able to get access to temp tags. You're also able to do a lot more things, especially when it comes to being able to work with the public. Wholesale license, you're not able to work directly with the public, but if you want to sell a vehicle to the public, you can sell it on consignment using a reassignment, and it's extremely streamlined and easy. These are really my best options. And like I said, being independent, we set up the office for you. We manage everything for you. We manage the phone lines, handle inspections. It's really, like I said, the easiest process in the country. And now I have one more thing, so stay with me. I know this was a long-winded video, but my last option, which is probably the easiest option by far, is my dealer representative package. So this dealer representative package, dude, and when I'm telling you, the instant gratification that it comes from you signing up with this package is amazing because you'll be able to go ahead and get started in less than 24 hours. You'll be able to attend these dealer only auctions, get a dealer plate shipped to your house within 2 to 3 days. It's really the easiest process. And the way that it works is we attach you to a license that's already established. Once you get attached to this license, you'll be able to attend these auctions immediately. You'll get an auction access ID, and essentially it's a card that you can go ahead and scan, get into these auctions, and start buying cars immediately. You will have to pay a fee to get onto this license because essentially the liability, but you'll pay for that fee for the entire year, and you'll be able to buy unlimited cars and sell unlimited cars as well. To scale something like this, we probably have the best process right now due to the fact that we do offer dealer plates with this package. We're the only person or only place in the country where you are able to get a dealer plate by becoming a dealer representative. And I'll break it down to you. Essentially, it's like a franchise-based model. You'll be an employee under the license that we establish, and you'll be able to start, like I said, buying and selling cars. It's a really great package. And if you have any questions, I know this was a brief overview. I try to go in depth as much as possible. but I'll give you a quick recap. It's a done for you process. We have an independent wholesale, independent retail, and dealer representative. The independent packages, it's your own business, your own license, and the dealer representative, we attach you to a license already established. Like I said, if you have any questions, go ahead and leave a comment. And if you're ready to go ahead and get started, you can message me on Instagram, or you can book a free call. I'll put that link at the top of this video, and we can go ahead and get on a call with my team, and we can get you started immediately. Thank you for watching.